Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙧 here. We create excellent presentations. Before we even start, please subscribe our channel and give us likes below if you like this video. Alright, let's go into it. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to crop images and photos in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's insert any photo. So go to the Insert section, and I will use my add-in Pexels. So if you have also this add-in, just click it. And here search for maybe mountains. Alright, and maybe let's choose this one. Alright, so as you can see, this photo is in this size, right? But let's say you would like this picture to be cropped to the perfect square. Then you have to go to the picture format section right here. Of course, earlier you have to select your image. And here you have crop. You can just click this arrow. And as you can see, 5 more options appear, right? So the first option is crop. That's the same like if you click on this icon, that's the same. So now in this mode, you can just crop your image. So maybe let's crop it like that. As you can see, now we have a different shape of this image, right? So let's do it again once more. As you can see, you have these white dots and you have these black lines, right? These black lines tell you about the area that you will be seeing. I mean, the area of the cropped image, right? So if you place it like that, you will be seeing only this part of the image, right? And these white points, these white ovals, you can just, by pressing them, you can change the shape, I mean the size of your image. So let's see it. As you can see, the size of the image is changing, right? Yeah, so we can make it like that. All right, so you can also crop to the shape your image, for example to the triangle. So let's choose that. And as you can see now, we have this photo cropped to this triangle, right? You can also, let me undo that. You can also aspect ratio. Yeah, you can choose aspect ratio of your image. So for example, square, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 9, 16, 10, etc., etc. If we would like, for example, the perfect square, so we will choose 1 to 1. And now we can, of course, change the size. Yeah, and just click anywhere outside of this image. So for example, here. Yeah. And now, as you can see, this is a photo cropped to the perfect square, right? You can also use fill or fit. Let's preview this effect. If you click fill, the photo is filled to this cropped shape. And if you click fit, it ensures that the full photo is fitted to this cropped area, right? All right, so yeah, here if you hover on crop to the shape, you have a lot of shapes. For example, this plus, yeah, this plus shape, you can of course modify it. Yeah, so PowerPoint provide us plenty of options to use, right? Yeah, that's all about cropping your image. Please subscribe our channel. Give us like below this video if you liked this tutorial. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.